Hi guys, I am back with another mini, and so here I have Sparkling Co's March 2024 sub bag. I think it went from $29.99. I think it's $34.99 now. But the theme of this bag was tulips, and so it came with this particular tier that I purchased. It comes with 3 or 4 dip powders. Sometimes it comes with a special item, and this time it came with brush cleaner. I don't need brush cleaner, but I'll take it, whatever it came with it, so it is what it is. The sub bags always come with the appropriate sticker and some cutouts, perfect for the theme of the bag, as I previously mentioned. So this one has bloom, which is like a little glitter cutout. It has a vase with some tulips, the word spring, really cute. I don't know what to do with these. And then I have a tulip sticker. I actually have a little bag, Sparkling Co bag, that came in a different sub bag that I put my little stickers in. And then it came with some tulip nail stickers. And so we're just gonna get into it. What I'm opening is just brush cleaner. That is good if you contaminate like your dip base brush. You can pop that out, put the dip base brush in there, let that sit, pull it out, clean it off on a paper towel, lint-free paper towel or a wipe, and it's good as new. So I have several bottles of brush cleaner that I do not or have not had to use. And so here are the swatch sticks for the 4 colors. One is like a kind of off-white, a pink that is actually a temp changer, a glitter green, and a flake dip powder as well. I don't know why they put the little tulip sticker on there. That just threw the color off for me, but whatever works, I suppose. And so these were nice spring like colors. I can't wait to use that glitter green. So in this particular mani, I decided to use 3 of the colors. So I used the pink, which is a temp changer, the like white or off white, and the white base with the pink and green foil flakes. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. Now y'all, I have some full coverage nail tips on that I glued on with a Dash and Divas Fast Bond, and it's air bubbles all in there. So I put 2 layers of Holo Taco Pilly Base on top of my natural nails because I wanted these to pop off, and they did. They ended up popping off before I could even finish the video. 3 of them did, and I just put them back on with some sticky tabs. Now, I'm not the best with applying full coverage nail tips with glue, and so that's why you see all kind of bubbles in there. Like I pressed it down, and like it was great on the nail, and y'all, as soon as I lift that thing up, I was like, oh, it's air under there. But I didn't plan on keeping them on tonight or that night that I did these nails anyway. Maybe, I don't know if somebody can give me some helpful tips on how to put that on, because I've looked at 1,000 videos on how to put on nails with nail glue, and it does not work. And I know it's user error. But anyway, and so I'm getting into this dip powder. I'm using Sparkling Co's low odor dip base because I do suffer from dip flu. So when low odor dip liquids tend to dry slower, but they dry faster on full coverage or fake nails for whatever reason. And so whenever I use low odor dip liquids, I just wear a regular face mask. But if I use regular dip liquids, I have to wear a respirator, or I will suffer greatly the next day. And so I'm applying the dip powder, thin layer of base, pouring over the dip powder and over a dip cupcake liner. You can lay your finger flat in dip powder. That's actually I don't like sticking my finger in at a 45-degree angle because I always end up with a ledge at the tip of my nail when I do that. And so I'm applying that white color to my thumbnail and my middle finger. Apply it nicely, no problems. And so I'll go in and do all nails, and then I'm going to be back. So just hang out with me. with the last color, I think this was called Flower Garden, Flour, which I thought was interesting. If the theme of the sub bag is tulips, you thought it would be like Flower. I don't know. I guess that was intentional. So with the foil flakes, you always want to pour that inside of either a reusable dip container. You could do a lid, you could do a cupcake liner like I have, and you want to shake it so that the foil flakes pull to the top of the dip powder, so that when you lay your finger flat, you get a lot of those foil flakes on the nail. And then you want to take your finger and lay the and press them down so they don't stick up on the nail. And so of course, since this dip powder has foil flakes, I will encapsulate in clear to protect the foil flakes from turning colors during the fouling and buffing process. I am encapsulating that foil dip powder in Azure Beauty's clear, just because I have a lot of it and that's all I had at the time, because I was not at home when I recorded this video. It worked fine. And so once I get the all of the not all of the nails, but the nails, this one nail encapsulated in clear, I'm then going to brush off excess dip powder from all of the nails, and then I will activate, which hardens the dip powder, or what Sparkling Codes call solidify. This is basically activator, activates the dip powder, makes it hard in preparation for the fouling and buffing process, which I will do off camera. So here are the nails after fouling and buffing. I think by this time my middle finger popped off, my pinky, and my thumbnail. So I had to put some sticky tabs on and pop them back on for this video. So I have these butterfly like foil nail stickers. I think I got these either off Shein or Temu, one of those. And so, but those butterflies were hard to get off that paper. I was like, this is the disrespect. It was hard to get that butterfly. Then I ended up bending it and I had to pull it, take the tweezers and kind of stretch it out. It was just so disrespectful, but in the end I thought it was cute and I got it to work, so we were good. And this was actually my second time recording this same video, because I did it the first time on some short squared nails. It was horrible. It was horrible, and I was like, I don't like these short square nails that I'm using. I won't say which ones they are, but I hated them. They were already thick to begin with, and when I put them on, they were like extra thick. So at this time, I think this nail had popped up and I had to put it back on. And so I'm just applying that butterfly sticker to the middle finger, and I'm applying one to the thumbnail. I do go in with some pink rhinestones that I got off Amazon. Now listen, don't talk about my thumbnail, because I was just doing whatever. Y'all know I like extra stuff on my nails, so I just threw them rhinestones on there and I was living my best life. You couldn't tell me nothing different. But anyway, and so once I get that, and I think I use Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue to adhere the rhinestones. That does require curing in a UV LED lamp, by the way. Look at that mess. Look at that mess right there. I was like, ooh, you being disrespectful. Look at it. So anyway, I got my mani glove on. Not my mani glove, but my UV LED glove. You want to protect your skin, because I did notice, like, I was like, oof, now I got old people skin, which I'm old anyway. Let's be clear. And I was like, you better start protecting your skin, because you ain't got time for that. You popping in this lamp and your skin getting dark and you ain't hydrating and you need lotion, your skin looking like leather. But I digress anyway. So I'm putting these pink rhinestones on the nail. I had a plan in my mind, but it didn't play out that way. But whatever, I'm rambling at this point, but whatever, because it's late. I don't know why I start rambling, but anyway. y'all, after I get the nails cured, I did purchase 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's, I think that's called 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, base coat and top coat from Amazon, because it is HEMA free and HPMA free. I think that's a form of HEMA as well. No, I don't have a gel allergy. I don't, but you know, I like to use products. You know, I use whatever products. Let me just be clear. But this kept popping up on my Amazon feed, and I was just like, let's just try it. I can't complain. Nice shine, goes on nice, doesn't run all over the place. So I applied the base coat to the nail cure. And also, when you're using nail stickers or like water slide decals, applying base coat helps to encapsulate them and protect them even better, especially if you are you're going to wear the set for a long period of time, like 2 weeks or greater. But and so I apply base coat, cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I go in and apply 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's top coat and cure for 60 seconds as well in my LED lamp. So here are the nails after curing, and I forgot that the pink is a UV changer, and so I was popping them back in the lamp and they're a little darker, and so I'm going to grab the swatch stick so hopefully you can see the difference. Now it's not that noticeable on my index finger, but on my pinky you can see the difference between the swatch stick and the nail. It's just a little darker, and it gets darker, but I was trying to hurry up and pick it up on camera. So please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.